Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this session, we'll be discussing about swapping variables using comma operator, which is one of the easiest method in Python. Whenever your interviewer asks you to swap variables, I personally suggest you to go for this solution until and unless you are very confident about other solutions. Or sometimes your interviewer may directly instruct you not to use comma operator method because obviously interviews are made to be tricky. But don't worry, there are always multiple solutions. So you can start with comma operator, and if your interviewer doesn't accept that solution, I would personally suggest you to just be prepared with one more solution as a backup. You can also check out other solutions that I have already uploaded on my channel. Let's start with code implementation using comma operator. So we will define two variables, which is x equals to 10 and y equals to 20. We'll simply print values before swap. So let's say before swap x comma y, and using comma operator is x comma y will be simply y comma x, and that's it. So let's quickly print values after swap. So after swap x comma y, let me quickly run. You can see before swap 1020, after swap 2010. And that's a wrap for today's session. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights like this.